The sanctuary is a testament to the idea that simplicity can lead to a richer, more fulfilling lifestyle. Designed for a soon-to-be retired couple, this modern home is situated on a green property in Palo Alto that was once enclosed by an old concrete fence. What initially appeared to be a simple urban lot turned out to be a hidden sanctuary, its lush greenery and wild shrubbery inspiring a design that harmonized architecture with nature. The result is a home that not only embraces its surroundings, but also reflects the client's desire for a modern yet community-conscious lifestyle. The entrance was purposefully positioned to maintain privacy while taking in the lush natural views, ensuring that upon arrival at the home it feels like entering a hidden sanctuary. From this carefully orchestrated transition, guests are welcomed into the main pavilion, where the architecture is in harmony with the natural surroundings, setting the stage for the entire home. Enter the home via a winding walkway beneath the shade of a majestic heirloom oak tree, which dominates the expansive front yard and is the property's signature feature. The heart of the home is the central pavilion, which houses the kitchen, dining room, and family room, each space carefully designed to foster connection and serenity. The kitchen blends modern elegance with functionality, featuring warm cedar cabinetry, sleek concrete countertops, and large windows that frame the garden. Next door, the dining room bridges the indoor and outdoor worlds with a handcrafted wood table that serves as a focal point for intimate dinners and family gatherings. The family room, with its low seating and concrete-topped fireplace, offers a tranquil retreat while maintaining clear sightlines to the garden, further emphasizing the seamless integration of interior and exterior spaces. In contrast, the bedroom provides a tranquil refuge in a secluded corner of the home. Overlooking a private courtyard, it is a study in serenity, with soft natural light pouring in through well-placed windows. The materials, cedar, concrete, and plush textiles, echo the color palette of the rest of the home, creating a cohesive and calming environment. Sliding doors open onto small private balconies, offering a serene space for quiet reflection amidst the surrounding greenery. Taken together, these spaces embody the sanctuary's core ethos, a harmonious balance between modern living and a deep connection to nature.